welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome, and I am Asia. So in today's video I'll be doing a neon glam makeup. Before we get into it, I'm gonna hear that, right? So they never decided to work with me today because I decided to do a video for you guys and then decide if I can swing. But we're not gonna make that stuff, right? Anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I did my brows and now I'm going to set it with the Fitme Loose Powder in shade 30 into my eyelid, and this will cause the eyeshadow to be more pigmented and it will last longer. Okay guys, so the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using today is Gyal, and this is by Yardie Cosmetics. We're going to use this yellow and this green. I'll be using this yellow in the pigmented neon loose eyeshadow. So you guys can see it's really pigmented. You just press it in. Alright, now guys, I'm going to go into the green and just, you know, these eyeshadows are really pigmented guys and I am loving it. Yeah, a little goes a long way. So now I'm just going to press it into my skin. Using this green glitter guys. Yeah. Okay guys, so I got the NYX Glitter Primer, which is glitter glue, but then it's a primer to make it sound like more bashy. So now I'm just going to squeeze this on my, we're not using much. Press it in because I don't want to use much. So now I'm just going to put this in. Superstay in 128 under my eyes. I'm going to go into my foundation routine and I'll be using 240 in Fitme and 128 in Superstay. I used those foundation combination in my previous video. It turned out really nice. I'm liking it, so I'm going to use it again today. The 240. I think I showed those too much. 1, 2, 3, and now sponge, and this you can shop this from Asiasface Glow on Instagram. It's only $4,000. So now let's just blend this out. I'm loving this look. I think I'm going to go into more colors. I think I said this in my previous video. Wanna hear them up play music or drive fast? So going good so far. Bring it up to your ears because you don't want to look like a mask, guys. So I'm using the 330 in Superstay, guys. This out, always smile when blending it out, guys. I'm going to use the Superstay in 128 go under my arms, guys. This arch line, you're just going to fix it, right? I'm going to use my Sacha in No Color. Ow! Sacha in No Color, guys. And I'm going to just press it in your eyes. The NC 42 and just press that into my skin. Let's use the NW 50. Yep. Promotion, bring it down, bring it up. Use like the sponge. We don't need any harsh line, guys. Trying to make this seamless as possible. This LA Color 3D contour blush. So now I'm going to snatch my nose, and I will be using the Saharan palette, and this is from Juvia's Place. Katsina, guys. Use Chad and use this under my waterline. Gyal. This is a dark green. And I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Liner in Jet Black or Black. I think this is black. Now I'm going to just carry this up. I'm going to use this Juvia's Place palette, the Nubian Loose Highlighter, because I think I said palettes. Some with me and palettes, guys. Tear dust from Amuse Cosmetics. I use this tear dust in every single tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to spray my face, and I'm going to use the Mario Badescu in green tea. Outline my lips, and I'm going to use the beauty blender just press into my skin because I don't want any harsh line. You guys think I should use under lashes? Thinking to use under lashes, guys. And then I'll be doing the under lashes. And I'm going to set one more time with a fixed spray, guys. So this is the finished look of my neon yellow glam look on Aid Construction, right? You see, them choose to do this today. Today, when we decide for us get glammed and look cute for you guys, and decide to do them whatever out here. So today, we're not going to wait on them, because if we wait on them, we'll never finish till tomorrow, and we're not with it, guys. So anyways, follow my personal Instagram at AsiaX. Follow my makeup page at Asiasface. Don't forget to shop at Asiasface Glow, guys. We'll be doing a sale very soon, so stay tuned. Follow my Twitter at AsiaXX whatever. I will link all my ads on this side. If you guys are new, subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, share this to the family, friends all over the place, because girl come out and she look really nice, right? Alright, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.